Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Okay, let's start. I am so happy to be with you all this afternoon and to have the chance to introduce the alumna of IITTM Noida and the guest speaker, Kartika. She is from PGDM Tourism and Leisure 2008-9 batch. She is a travel professional with diverse experience of 10 years. She worked with established brands like Fairfest, Peak Adventure, Oryx, as well as startups like Oyo and Leisure.com. She is working with Oyo as a key account manager in Pune since 1.5 years now. Today, she is going to speak on a topic Oyo's Hotel and Homes Private Limited. Oyo is an Indian hotel chain and it is one of the largest and the fastest growing hospitality chain of leased and franchised hotels, homes and living spaces. Kartika, I welcome you to IITTM Fraternity and Family on behalf of all the students and IITTM. Now I hand over the session to Kartika. Kartika, it's all yours.
Talk about the brand that I represent, and it is nothing less to be, it is absolutely an honor to work for Oyo, and it is such a feeling of pride to work for this brand because it has, made the world to look up to it and stand and look up to a startup which has become unicorn in no time and is today one of the jewels of SoftBank as an investor. So I'll just begin with the slides if you would now pay attention to the presentation. So the first slide says your perfect space in every place. That is exactly the motto of what Oyo wants to be. Um, and these are the three pillars of Oyo. So when we think of Oyo, what do you think? You just think of a chain of hotels, but there is a lot more that goes into creating it. It is actually an amalgamation of three things, which is hospitality, which is obviously the hotels itself, the technology because it tries to sell it on a tech platform where you have the oyorooms.com website as well as the app. And in fact, everything in Oyo is managed with help of technology. Whether it is me as a salesperson trying to sell the hotel rooms, so we are given these applications which run on phone very smoothly through which we can sell any hotel room across the country or across the world at a just you just have to make a few clicks. And again, it is also at the level of the hotels. So when the hotel owners, when they join the franchisee of Oyo, they are also given a technology platform to manage their inventory and their entire everything, like even their um, accounts management, inventory management, everything is done on technology platforms. And real estate, of course, we need space. So there are so many real estate spaces that we are managing. Oyo has even gone into buying properties, which I'll discuss later. But it is amazing how these three things come together and build Oyo. Now, I'll just in brief talk about the beginning of Oyo. So, I'm sure most of us have heard Ritesh Agarwal's name. He is the founder of Oyo, and surprisingly, matlab hum sabko sharam aani chahiye. He was only 19 years old when he founded the company. We are where is he? So he was only 19 years old when he founded Oyo, and he is a Thiel fellow. For all of you who do not know what Thiel Fellowship is, it was started by Peter Thiel in 2010. He is the co-founder of PayPal. And he established this foundation to help people who have a startup or have a social movement or are working on some kind of research, technology research, medical research. So they give them $100,000 of prize money And along with that, it is a 2-year fellowship where a person is helped with their supported with a lot of other things in their endeavor. So Ritesh Agarwal was one of the recipients of Thiel Fellowship in 2013. The mere conditions of this fellowship are that you should be under 20 years of age, you should be a college dropout, and you have to have a plan in place where you have a concrete belief in it and you really want to work towards it. So that is Ritesh Agarwal for you. And he was in Gurgaon, and some bad experience with some hotel led him to founding of Oyo. And it started with one single hotel in Gurgaon where he made a contract with the hotel owner to convert a few rooms, a small inventory, into Oyo rooms, by which he meant that there was supposed to be clean sheets, clean bathrooms, there was supposed to be AC, TV, Wi-Fi. So he turned a few rooms into Oyo rooms, and realized that people were willing to pay for it and people were willing to take it up. And it turned into a really great business idea. But however, when this thing spread and they started getting more properties into it, so there were more properties wherein a certain number of rooms were Oyo rooms and the rest of the rooms were not Oyo rooms, were managed by the owner. There sprout a lot of controversy wherein the walk-in customers would get the Oyo rooms without booking through Oyo. So then Oyo decided that they want to get into taking up the entire inventory of a hotel. And then from there on, it has just evolved constantly to becoming a franchise where they take the entire hotel inventory into control, and the owner is completely out of the picture. He just gets a cut from the profits or a minimum guarantee, whatever the contract is signed between Oyo and the property. And to becoming a 10 billion USD brand value, it's a hell of a journey. And right now, Oyo is present in some, I think, 30 countries and counting, because we cannot keep updated with the new uh, updates. It is so fast. So right now, I can probably count out few countries where we are present. India, of course, Sri Lanka, Nepal. We are in Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Singapore. China, of course, is pretty big. Japan is pretty big. We are in US. We are um, in Europe, we are in England, Portugal, Spain, are some of the countries that I can name of the list. And yes, we are in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Oman, if I'm not wrong. These are few of the countries that we are already in. Now, the operation model, briefly, I would discuss how Oyo operates. So, it started off, the first point, if you see, is it started off as a hotel room aggregation business. So, say I am a hotel owner of, say, 20 rooms. Oyo would come to me, sign a contract with me, my inventory would be listed on the Oyo website, and thereby it starts selling online. But I have to adhere to certain standards of Oyo, wherein I have to make sure that my rooms are clean. I have white sheets, I have clean washrooms, there is Wi-Fi, there is hotel, there is TV, and I provide breakfast. So these are some of the basic hygiene that I have to maintain to be a part of Oyo. Then there is the franchise model, where my hotel is completely taken over by Oyo. Right from the staff to management to marketing to sales to everything is managed by Oyo. So we have a team of architects, we have team of staff that are trained to work in these hotels. So we completely manage them A to Z. Then we also have co-living. Co-living, I think you must have heard of, being students. Maybe you've come across Oyo Life or Oyo, which is like a PG. So we provide co-living spaces as well, where we take in buildings on rent and then we give away to students, or mainly it's the students who need that kind of um, space. And we also have gotten into co-working now. Oyo acquired Innovate in 2018, and ever since we have been growing to create co-working spaces as well, which is a very popular mode of rental space today. Uh,
Hello.
yes,
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry to interrupt you, Kartika.
हाँ हाँ सर.
Could you change the slides also and उसको slide show में कर दो? Slide.
आपको स्लाइड शो में नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
नहीं दिख रहा है, खाली एक ही दिख रहा है.
स्लाइड्स नहीं दिख रही हैं. ओके.
Yeah. Actually change नहीं हो रहा है.
ओके ओके, लेट मी चेक.
Put it in full screen. Just put it in full screen.
Okay, I did put it in full screen, but I think I'll just reshare it. Just a second, sir. Is it changing now? Hello?
Yeah. It's changing now. You can
It's
start.
changing now. Great. Okay. Sorry, guys. So you can see the slides now. I'm extremely sorry for this. Okay. So just go through these slides now. Okay, so I'm here now. So Oyo is India's largest hospitality company with this is now more than 2 lakh rooms and about 10,000 exclusive hotels. And the five promises that I was talking about, that we provide AC rooms, free Wi-Fi, hygienic washrooms, TV, clean linen. And of course, we used to have breakfast as one of our six core promises, but we've removed that because we got into homestays also. And in certain homestays, it is very difficult to provide breakfast. We rather provide them kitchens where people can cook their own food. They are like equipped kitchens. There'll be few utensils. There'll be some chai patti shakkar, or आपको आप दूध ले आ सकते हो, आप मैगी ला सकते हो, bread ला सकते हो. You can cook some basic meals in those places. Now, see, this is how Oyo works. So this was what the property was before. Now this is Oyo Townhouse. This is a flagship brand of Oyo, where we actually lease properties on a long-term basis from the owners, completely transform them to townhouses, and then they are introduced for public use. So this is how it was before and what it becomes later once our architects and transformation team has worked on those properties. These are few more examples of Oyo hotels across the world. You can see a few properties here from China also. And townhouses are a huge hit basically. I sell a lot of Oyo townhouse to all the corporates that I work for. Now, a little more detail about Oyo Townhouse here. So it is actually based on the needs of millennial travelers. So we really ensure that for a millennial traveler or a corporate traveler, all the facilities are available. There'll be a 24-hour kitchen for people. So you can order in your room any time of the day or night. And there will be meeting room, conference room. There is a restaurant in the hotel. and the standard of the room itself would be much better. Like we are very specific even about the size of the mattress, the how the curtains are going to be. The entire townhouses have similar themes running across the world, not just in India. So the curtains would be gray, the floor would be white, there'll be red frames, paintings inside the hotel, inside the room. There is a standard of even the toiletries inside the washroom are supposed to be same across the world. As in the same standard, there is a very popular shampoo which is mint flavored shampoo, which is very popular with the guests, and we hear about it a lot. So that's funny, but that's how you build a brand. You really take care of every nook and corner and little itty bitty things to personalize it and make it unique for your guests. And these are again some of the things that I was talking about. You can see there are lounge areas, there is 24 into 7 service desk, there'll be 8-inch mattress, there is the shower has to be a 12-inch shower, there are premium toiletry kits, there is running hot and cold water. The cafes would be there, tea and coffee maker will be available in your room. So this is a kind of a experience where we are trying to create a very budget luxury. So when the corporates tie up with us, they end up cutting costs. They end up making their employees happy with their experience of stay, and at the same time, the productivity increases because they are in their comfort zones, but at the same time, they can work in a very nice atmosphere. So this is like a win-win situation for us and for the corporate, or even for the leisure traveler or travel agent, or anybody can really have this as a very big comfort in their lives. Like it's completely taken care of. Yeah, again, the townhouses, this is what the smarter things that we work about, some of the things that we really delve into deep and look after. Um, some of the pictures for you. I have stayed myself in some of the townhouses and the experience is really good. Now, Silver Key is really just designed for especially for the corporate traveler. So I'm just taking you through some of our product line that is there. And Silver Key is mainly designed for corporate travelers. They are like service apartments in itself. It is for the executive stay. There will be 24 into 7 security. आपके पास में आप अपने खुद के कपड़े भी धो सकते हो, मशीन्स रहती हैं, किचन स्टाफ होता है, आप खाना खुद भी बना सकते हो या बनवा सकते हो. इट इज़ लाइक अ कंफर्टेबल स्टे, लॉन्ग टर्म स्टे फॉर कॉर्पोरेट. तो जनरली कई कॉर्पोरेट्स को जिनको अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए प्रोजेक्ट्स के दौरान उनको स्टे करानी होती है फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन, 15 days, a month, or a week, they generally turn to Silver Key product, which is a very corporate friendly, at the same time a long stay friendly product. So these are some of the things that you can see are the amenities that are present in a Silver Key. There's a in-house photocopying, printing facility. You can cook your own meals. There is electric tea and coffee kettle, complimentary Wi-Fi, DTH. It is, and most importantly, it is located in corporate clusters. So wherever there is a business district, or say there is an IT hub, so these we look for properties around such areas to cater to our clients. Some of the pictures for you. Reception, common area, bedroom. Yeah, some more pictures. So we also when it comes to Silver Key, not just that we look for properties around these areas, or we just look for people who own these properties. We also partner with clients. Say for example, we have done this with TCS. TCS has its own, service apartments. So we've taken them up from them, and we are managing them as Silver Key. So it's just that TCS के employees भी वहाँ रुकते हैं, but then in times when it is empty, there are other people also who can stay. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Collectiono is another of our brands. So Collectiono is like a three-star hotel. It is more premium than the most. So you will also find that the rentals are also very high, generally in when it comes to Collectiono, and it is for the smart traveler as always. Um, Again, it's a premium economy. Um, the staff here, the service part is really concentrated on. हमारा जो staff रहता है, they are doubly insured and trained to give the best experience to the clients. These are the key attributes. So it has to be centrally located, comfortable sleep, premium linen rahega beds पर. The staff is certified by OYO. You will have a buffet breakfast. In other places, you generally get a fixed breakfast. कि या तो सिर्फ you only have a choice between a aloo ka paratha and poha, but here you will get a spread of breakfast. So something again, बाकी सब तो similar है to other ones. This is Collection also Bangalore. It's a 30-room property. You can see on your screen. And these are some other. Okay, Oyo is also into events. So, having so many properties across the country gives us an advantage of having a real estate presence across. And all these properties come with banquet halls and, gardens, marriage gardens. So we take care of events in these spaces. So we generally have a lot of nice events happening in Oyo properties, and we even do catering. We do the decoration. If you want a wedding done, we do weddings also. So it's really Oyo has become a one point of contact for all corporate needs or for all the travel agents as well. These are the USPs. So we have dedicated asset managers in these venues, and they handle everything right from booking the venue to pre event, during the event, and post event. Everything is taken care of by these asset managers. Some of the kinds of events that can be done in our properties. So conferences, product launches, team meetings, and we do these. We do these at or like in a very large manner. We get a lot of queries and we get a lot of business for events. It's a burgeoning vertical for us. These are and we are spread across 20 cities. So events is not as spread as the hotel business, but yes, we have presence in almost all the major cities. The one that I was talking about, co-living, Oyo Life, where people can stay. It's like a hostel, but really premium hostel. So there is co-living, there is so many amenities, and it's very cheap. So you can see some photos here. I'm not going to bore you with too much details on this. This is just really nice. Okay, and we have Oyo Homes also. A lot of you must have heard about Airbnb, which is like a very renowned homestay brand. So Oyo Homes is something similar, and we work on tying up with asset owners, and then we work towards transforming them and then making them live on our website and selling it. And Palette Resorts is a five-star brand of Oyo. This is very exclusive. Again, it works on a franchise model, and we have quite a few properties which are Palette Resorts. You can see some of the pictures of those on the screen. So you see the expense or the expanse of the products. We are there right from very basic hotels to five-star resorts as well. We have all of it. And as you know, I was discussing that we are into workspaces also. So Innovate, Power Station, and Workflow are the three brands of Oyo workspaces. And all these are designed to cater to different kind of clients. So they are there is a permutation and combination of lot of amenities which are given out on in these brands. And I would really like to discuss this that how Oyo has changed the travel industry and how e-commerce is evolving. So Oyo was basically designed to cater to the millennial traveler, and it is really changing the way we travel. In a way, the travel agents are becoming obsolete in some ways, and the travel agents get really angry and very pissed off about this. I would like to share one experience when I went and met this travel agent, and I was trying to loop in him for business. They have their tours operating, and then when their guests are supposed to stay somewhere, I wanted him to have his guests stay in a Oyo hotel. And he was very pissed off, saying that you guys are destroying our business because everyone can just go online and book on their own. But the truth of the matter is that for you to sustain in the industry, you have to be dynamic. You have to really change with the times. If you refuse to change with the times, you will perish. So that's exactly what happened with the travel agent. He told me that you should leave Oyo, you should work for some travel agent, and just book tours and do the usual travel agent stuff that happens. I'm not against the travel agents, but the travel agents have to change with time. And he asked me to come back a year later, and if I'm still in Oyo, he will give me business, is what he said. A year later, I went back to his office, and his office was gone. So, you really need to understand that you have to change. So the travel agents have really not become defunct. They are still needed in this world. They still need. You just need to find the niche. And there are so many travel agents who are booking Oyo hotels, but it's not that they have disappeared from the face of the earth. But you cannot be rigid. So this is a very big problem across the industry right now. That a lot of travel agents are feeling very insecure about the e-commerce revolution. But honestly, you really have to understand that the e-commerce is there to help you rather than take your business away. You just have to adapt and change towards it and understand what really works for you and then act accordingly. And again, Oyo has actually revolutionized how the hotels work. So, a small hotel somewhere in a nook and corner of Shimla is also getting business because of Oyo, because now it is open to the world. So, the asset owners, the hotel owners, have seen a drastic change in how their business grows or how they can actually do business. So, in a way, Oyo has revolutionized that. And like I discussed, that it is changing the way of business for many, uh, for the hotel owners, for the travel agents, for people like you and me, for the corporate world. There are corporates who, in a corporate, it is generally the administration which takes care of the employees' travel requests and their requirements. Now, when we meet these administrations, they are very happy to work with Oyo because उनका employee कहीं अगर बोकारो जा रहा है या फिर कन्याकुमारी भी जा रहा है, they have a single point of contact for all their needs. They don't have to, tie up with multiple hotels to figure out a accommodation for their clients. So that ways we have really come up and revolutionized the corporate travel as well. And of course, like I said, Oyo has shown grit and adversities in opposition. I don't know if how many of you follow startup stories, but then हम ये ओला उबर में भी देखते हैं कि व्हेन वी गो टू वी बुक एन ओला, द ड्राइवर कम्स टू अस एंड देन सेज कि मैडम आप कैंसिल कर दो, मीटर से चल लो, या फिर जो भी उनका होता है तरीका. दैट इज इन अ वे हाउ startups, especially e-commerce startups, face adversities in the market because all these people feel कि उनका जो edge था, the way they could overcharge, the way they could take advantage of a situation has kind of disappeared for them. So they have a lot of rage towards e-commerce. But then Oyo has somehow shown a lot of grit, shown a lot of um, strength in such adversities, and we have really come up. And most importantly, being dynamic and keep evolving is very important. So Oyo in a long time has learned how to change its products, how to evolve them from dynamic model जहाँ पर एक होटल में 4-5 कमरे ओयो के होते थे, to bringing it to townhouses where we are completely leasing out properties and managing them completely is a big change. I don't know if you have guys heard of, but US में Las Vegas Strip, which is a very popular holiday spot जहाँ पे बहुत gambling stations हैं, there was a Hooters hotel, which is a 650 rooms plus property. It was bought by Oyo. So Oyo has bought such hotels across the world. We have bought quite a few 4-star, 5-star hotels in India as well, and are now operating as premium hotel chain in India also. So it's a big success story. It is something to be proud of. Um, and that's how Oyo is changing the travel industry. That's how the e-commerce is evolving the travel industry. What Oyo has done, no other hotel chain has been able to do it in that drastic and that huge manner. So in a way, Oyo has really revolutionized the travel industry. We see that on the ground as well, because I have been on the ground. I've interacted with the clients. The clients are really seeing a change in the way they could operate. Even for a travel agent to be able to deal with a single supplier for all their needs is an amazing thing. So that's how it works. Well, that's all from my end. I am, ready to take questions now.
Hello.
Hello. Sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Kartika, for the informative and the lovely session, actually. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and now over to audience. If you have any questions, you can ask her.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
this is Vishwanath.
Yes, I बोलिए.
Ma'am, actually, I have been facing problem in with Oyo since last 2 years. Before it was very good. Like,
Okay.
ma'am, I keep on traveling a lot, and I used properties like Townhouse and Silver Key. Those both were good, but remaining properties, ma'am, like in Gurgaon near airport, my
Mhm.
passport, like they don't accept booking from Oyo. Like if you are paid
Yeah.
online.
Yes. See, that's what I was talking about. Na कि that is a check-in denial that you faced. That is exactly where I was talking about these Ola Uber drivers. जब आप उनके पास पहुंचते हो, तो वो बिजनेस तो ओयो के थ्रू या फिर ऐप के ओला उबर की ऐप के थ्रू आ जाता है बिजनेस उनके पास में. But the moment you are about to avail the services from them, दे डिनाई द सर्विस एंड से कि आप कैंसिल कर दो, आप मेरे से बुक कर लो, आपको रिफंड आ जाएगा. आपने अगर 1500 में बुक किया है तो मैं 900 में दे दूंगा. सी दैट इज and I accept that such adversities and the issues that happen are actually creating a lot of trouble for the client at the end of the day. So Oyo is obviously working towards it. ऐसी बहुत सारी properties जो इस तरह से हमारे clients को परेशान करती थी, they have been removed from Oyo, and we are really trying to work on a brand and franchise model where we have a lot of control over hotels and they can, you know, better perform. So I know, Sai, that this is there and it has happened with a lot of people, but somehow in a lot of cases this is because of the issues that we've had with hotel owners, where they do not want to, they have some हमारे से कुछ बदला लेना है या कुछ भी करना है, तो they do such things.
Ma'am, we are using Make My Trip Travel e-commerce and Oyo Travel e-commerce also.
Yes.
But with Oyo Travel e-commerce, we faced again problems in Uttarakhand and Himachal, ma'am.
हाँ
As we
हाँ,
book bulk,
it is there.
we
I agree with you. See, that is what the problem is. Make My Trip or Make My Trip is not a is not a is just an aggregator. So Make My Trip क्या करता है कि Make My Trip में it is just connecting you with the hotel. In our case, Oyo is actually a part of managing also. So in that, because of that, hotel owners को बहुत ज़्यादा issues होता है कि why are we trying to take up? But the truth of the matter is that there are a lot of hotel owners who are benefiting from it, and it will take some time for this transformation to take place. And honestly speaking, थोड़ा सा इशू तो रहता ही है उत्तराखंड में, हिमाचल प्रदेश में, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. वी डू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द, आई टेल यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस. दी सेम होटल्स जो ऑफ सीजन में हमारे साथ काम करना चाहते हैं और कोई इश्यूज नहीं क्रिएट करते हैं, पीक सीजन के टाइम पे उनका प्रॉब्लम्स चालू हो जाता है, because they want to make more money out of it. See, that is why I'm telling you ना कि ये जो issues होते हैं ना कि ऑटो वाला कभी भी अपनी मर्जी से ओवरचार्ज कर सकता था, आजकल ओला उबर में नहीं कर पाता है. दैट सेम इशू इज विद द होटल्स आल्सो. पीक सीजन में 500 का कमरा 5000 में बेच सकते हैं, बट व्हेन ओयो कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर वो 2000 2500 का ही बिक पाता है, because of course there is a premium to a season. At that, and that is fair कि आप डिमांड सप्लाई के चेंजेस में प्राइजेस बदलती हैं. बट देन व्हेन देयर इज अ, जब किसी होटल वाले को ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये डील की वजह से ना मैं 2500 का बेच रहा हूँ, वो सामने से एक बंदा आ रहा है उसको मैं 5000 का बेच सकता हूँ, तो वो आपको तुरंत सेकंड एनआई करके दूसरे वाले को दे देता है होटल. So that is an issue, and Oyo is really working, trying to work on this thing. So have some patience. It will sort out. It will work out at some point of time. It has to. There is no other option.
Yes, ma'am. Because like Make My Trip provides instant solution, ma'am. Like even they confirm our booking prior
हाँ
to the customer visit to the property, but
हाँ
Oyo
हाँ.
still doesn't reply anything regarding that until customer reaches to the reception, and that makes a
So,
huge
Sai,
problem to
please
us.
tell me, are you a travel agent?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So you do not have a you don't have a you don't have a account manager with you?
No, ma'am. I am using just app which
Okay,
is
that is
premium
the
and
problem.
yeah.
That is the
Mm.
problem. You should actually register yourself as a B2B client
Yes, ma'am.
with Oyo.
B2B client only, ma'am. Through the travel agents of India. We have
Okay,
got
I do not know
registered.
because
Yeah.
travel agents cannot use app to make bookings on Oyo. I know this for a fact. So I don't know how you are doing this, but I think Oyo travel agents को app नहीं देता है. So maybe there is something, probably we can discuss this offline. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
connect
Yes,
with
ma'am.
me, है ना? This will
Yes.
become a very long discussion otherwise. Okay, I think I see this. Rishabh Raj ने एक question भेजा है. Do you see Oyo coming into tour packages? Rishabh, actually, Oyo was into tour packages, and we were doing very well in this. But then over a period of time, we've seen that we really need to concentrate on the hotel part right now. So अभी जो टूर पैकेजेस का बिजनेस है वो बंद कर दिया गया है. so that we can really concentrate on some other things at the moment. And probably in some time we will get into tour packages also eventually, maybe in future. I'm not sure about that right now. And yeah, any other questions? Did I miss out anything on the chat? No, there was just one.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Hi, Rishabh. Rishabh can't hear you.
My question is,
Huh.
everyone wants a budgeted property. Every
Yes,
traveler see Oyo as a budgeted hotel and a budgeted hotel. But when it comes to the premium hotels,
right.
people don't prefer Oyo. They
Right.
if
Oh,
when
yeah.
it comes to three, yes. So when
Yeah,
it
this
comes to
is
3 4 star properties, yes.
uh, yeah, what you are trying to say here is that Oyo is stuck with its image of a budget hotel chain, and that is true. So somewhere Oyo, that's why we have done a lot of rebranding. So that's why the five-star resorts are known as palette resorts, not Oyo hotels. We have 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels as well, and they are known as 3 by Oyo, 4 by Oyo, and 5 by Oyo. They are not known as Oyo hotels. So we are really very clear about how the segmentation of the product is happening here. So we have the budget category hotels, we have the premium category hotels, and we have super premium, and they all are branded separately. Does that answer your question, Rishabh?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, many times you see when we tell people that it's a property of Oyo, so they don't prefer it generally. They prefer
Yes,
to visit a 3 star
yes,
like City
yes.
Park or something like
So
that.
yeah, so that's why you when you're pitching a premium property of Oyo, you don't call it Oyo. You just tell that a 3-star hotel and the name. So that really helps. So sometimes with our travel agents, we do tell them that you're looking for a premium property, then go for a palette resort. Then Oyo का नाम ही नहीं आता है वहाँ पर. So Oyo
Yes, ma'am.
stays a budget property, but then there are other names for the premium section of the properties. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, one last question from my side. Like this is
Yes.
COVID phase going on,
Yes.
COVID-19,
Yes.
and ma'am, as per February, Oyo is facing loss of 2,335 crores. And
Absolutely.
so, how are you going to deal? How is the company going to deal with this situation, ma'am?
So the obviously the situation is very bad, and of course we are seeing a lot. मतलब मेरी खुद की भी I have also faced pay cut, and
Okay.
we are going through hell right now, honestly speaking. But let's see, जैसे ही ये खुलता है, because we are really trying to right now ओयो के पास जितना business आ रहा है, that is mainly just hospitals, embassies जिनके citizens are stuck here, we are giving accommodation to them. जो corona warriors हैं, उनके लिए we are giving accommodation. So that's how right now बहुत limited business है, but let's see future में कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. As it comes, I'm sure our senior management will take the decisions accordingly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello. Ma'am,
Hello.
just want to know that how Corona has changed your working process, like how
Yes,
people are.
yes, that's a very good question. So we are working from home, of course, but see, that is the good thing about working for a startup and especially working for a e-commerce kind of a company. You just need a laptop and an internet connection, and you could, sit anywhere and be anywhere and do whatever you want. So I am working from home. I have my laptop and I call my clients. The clients call me for any queries or anything that they might need. So that's how it works.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Uh, like this like we have faced so many problem with Oyo. Like when the guest is reaching to the hotel, the other than denial, the linen is dirty, and so many other things. So like Accor Group is coming up with an idea that they will give. They have started a chain of hotel which says the virus free. Okay,
Okay.
so do you think that Oyo can manage to that level and they will also start something like that
See,
so that they can get
I know in the last 1 or 2 years we faced a lot of issues with how our image has become in front of the market. But what happens is, आप ये छोड़ो अभी Oyo is actually providing quarantine facilities to hospitals. So there are so to imagine that that level of cleanliness is already being maintained by Oyo hotels, wherein we are giving quarantine facilities to hospitals. You can, I mean, I don't need to say more than that. I think there are few hotels जहाँ पर ये issues आते हैं, and whenever these issues happen, those hotels generally don't last with Oyo for very long. So in this case, I'm sure कोई बहुत सारे chains आएंगे and they'll work on those parameters. But Oyo is really working on all the parameters, and it will happen. It will happen for good.
Okay, I was in conversation with one of the corporate, and they were asking now the challenge is like most of the hotels are being used as quarantine.
Right,
Pack.
right.
So who will go and stay first in that hotel once the market starts? So that's the main
Yeah,
challenge.
yeah. So you see, I really cannot go from individual to individual to make them understand how a virus survives or how long it survives, or how you sanitize a hotel. I think if they cannot understand that, they are probably going to stay inside their homes for their lives. I don't know. I mean, this is very weird, actually. So of course, वो fear तो अभी रहने वाला है, and we all are going to face the brunt of it. For all the students who are right now here, उनका अगर कुछ um, वो होने वाला है, placements में issues आने वाले हैं. I was myself from the 2010 batch जब लेमैन ब्रदर्स उड़ा था, और 2008 में बॉम्बे का टेरर अटैक हुआ था, एंड राइट एट द टाइम स्वाइन फ्लू का पेंडेमिक चल रहा था, एंड वी ऑल फेस द ब्रांड, लाइक द ट्रैवल एजेंट्स, हमारे सीनियर्स के जॉब ऑफर्स कैंसिल हुए थे, हम लोगों को पे कट्स लेने पड़े थे. So this is just again the same thing, and eventually all these things pass away. So I think for people to fear कि hotels को quarantine facility बनाया गया था, eventually that virus dies. Eventually it perishes. It can be sanitized. सिर्फ साबुन से, और they'll sanitize the hotels. And if a traveler is too scared to stay in a hotel, then I'm sure he'll be too scared to even come out of their home also. So these things are gonna pick up with time. Time heals everything, is what I would say.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Kartika, there are a few questions on the chat box you can see.
Yes, I was. Yeah. Yeah, Harshit Varma. If there are any upcoming future projects that Oyo brand currently is focusing on. So yes, so Oyo right now with the COVID-19 situation and everything, we were really trying to push the co-working spaces, which is a very new product for Oyo. And for now, any new products I do not know yet of, but right now, accommodation is only going to be the concentration product for Oyo, and we are really concentrating on that. So events, hotels, co-working spaces, and co-living spaces is what Oyo is really concentrating on. Any new products, as of now, there is nothing in the pipeline that I'm aware of. No, nothing. And then रिंकू से तो मेरी शायद बात हो गई इस बारे में. Okay, and future projects, advanced facilities offered by OYO. What you Pratik ne likha hai, are there is some advanced facilities offered by OYO? I do not understand the question here, I think. If you mean advanced facilities, may like premium products, yes, there are premium products in OYO. Like I discussed, we have pallet resorts, we have five-star resorts, we have premium hotels, so it is all there. And and of course it's a like BNB, Airbnb. So we have Oyo Homes. So Oyo Homes is a very premium homestay. And उसमें आपको सब तरह के होम स्टेज मिलेंगे. There will be bungalows, there are apartments, there are individual row houses. So there's a lot of that there already. And how did you go about this journey of joining OYO and working with them? Stuti has asked me. So Stuti, I think for me, working with OYO has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. So OYO is quite a tough place to work at. हर हफ्ते कुछ नया आता है. So there is, if you have worked before or if you know this, you have a you're given a KRAs, you have key responsibility areas, and then there is a process to measure that measure how you are performing for your KRAs. ओयो में वो चीज़ें भी बहुत बार चेंज होती रहती है because this is such a dynamic market. There is so many new products which keep coming and going. तो हमारे KRAs भी change होते रहते हैं, and then on top of that too, there are very extensive, there are very huge targets to meet. So for you to be able to do that, you have to be on your toes constantly. You have to really work towards it. You have to be in the market. You have to work with your team. There is actually a saying in OYO, अगर आप OYO में 6 महीने निकालते हो, तो that is as good as spending a year in OYO, because there is so much you learn within a very small duration of time. There's so much to do. There's so much to do. So it's nothing. It is absolutely a roller coaster ride. And then Ojas has asked ki how OYO did the market research for when they first launched their company. I think you'll have to shoot this question to Ritesh Agarwal. I'm probably not the right person to answer this. So really no idea, honestly. Ma'am, Prateek Marwa is asking, ma'am, is your company affiliated with any other company? No, OYO is not affiliated to any other company, although we have a lot of investors that are a part of OYO, but they are just investors. They have nothing to do with operations or how OYO works. And yeah, that's all. Any other questions? I love questions. More, please.
Okay, a very interactive session, huh? Okay, so on behalf of audience, I would like to thank Kartika again for taking out your time and sharing the OYO Hotels and Homes Private Limited in detail.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Kartika. So coming up with tomorrow's program, I just would like to share you a few things. Just hold on.
Thank you, guys. It was so much fun. I hope you took something from it. I hope I was not that bad.
Okay, I'll share the details on WhatsApp. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Kartika.
Thank you, sir.
Just a reminder to everyone, tomorrow's scheduled session is on Zoom. It's not on Google Meet.
Oh yeah, actually the guy is from Dubai and there is some problem with Google Meet. So he'll be coming on Zoom tomorrow. So I'll share you all the meeting IDs as well as password. So let's meet tomorrow.
Right. See you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kartika.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.